Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here, and I have a quickie dish to share. Everyone can make this recipe. It's so simple, and the boys are having their dinner at the moment, and they are liking it big time. It's macaroni and beef. Macaroni and beef sauce. Check out the full video if you'd like to make it for your my kitty just fell for your littles as well. And I'll see you soon again. Say bye. Around 200 gram of ground beef, and then we're gonna drain the fat. Now add about 1.5 cup spaghetti sauce, and bring back to boil. 1 cup of water and a little chives and a little parsley. Into a bowl, 2 cups of macaroni, and just pour enough hot boiling water, enough to cover it, and then we're gonna microwave it for at least 9 minutes. 9 to 12 minutes. Now that the macaroni is done, serve it with the meat sauce.